Mame Mao Akwaba and found Bragan and Sam TV GH so what frame me Adjoa searching.
I'm over from and on my bow, who did it for fine, Omuko baby dear, or my managing a choreograph na a staged. It's not staged. Even if it's staged, that's how it's done. Omude Omuko no can on a stage, Omuko Brian on a stage. I'm sure said Dr. Duchum, Edomava Koshanjan Quanta, Pope John Paul the second center on ZB staged. What is your beef with stage? Everything about politics, a lot of it has to do with settings. And then this for the BTMP before the last elections, they did. Omato also in the government settings. It is not anybody or everybody that can quickly see through the picture. So you just bring the setting, bring the picture, make the optic fine and nice, and then people buy. I am not surprised. It looks as if say. Ran a domination or Santa Cracheno, and a race be a competition be. There's always a favorite. Bawumia is no doubt the favorite as we speak. Yes, I know Ken is a force to reckon with, but they didn't know. Bawumia is a silent storm. We are the party for no matter what happens, they are more likely to give him chance compared to the others. Enti honey menka kasibia but as you say o declare na o declare no me hu the entire bre ho sa yeah what we saw was a declaration of sort first never an endorsement what I say o declare so munya ba kuma ne kasai no just see na modwen say nyo mu nyina so it's also true say it could say enyo mu nyina because opekra mu nyina kra ansan emfa modwen ntimase ibenya ba ku mienu bia they may want to vote otherwise. So I am not surprised. But so Kona say nipa 200. Do not to me just to say openly we want to campaign for you. I think it's a big push for the Bawumia camp. They should not relent. They should not let Kwasikwati Hoyano and Bibia. They should just focus and then keep on meeting people they want to meet. Nothing stops them from making it. And like the DCE said, politicians being who are Ghana politics, especially from 92 coming, Obaya Nuenya. There be Oba Fason Boko Nwasaba and I'm sanction against internal election be anywhere I draw on a case executive bianja them more be in abundant declaring support and we say so it's not supported morally and legally. It doesn't make sense because then that was the point of even campaigning at all. We are campaigning so that people will come and root for you. So if somebody comes to root for me, was one of the executive or a party band where said he shouldn't have declared for the other. A camera says will be kotaba or Micha April will be attack and any problem be any Hoya Nebia. Out. And I also agree, say a by internal one say no more declare. It does not necessarily mean says you're 2 winners a while who declare man on one way near the Oberini and then Yaka and I say Konakos about sabotage in the campaign. Oh wow, Bears Abiano. Now Susma the drink couldn't crown and you soon move drew. No, Gani couldn't crank because Sana policies here. A more call, this is for internal election in the last election. See, President Mahama was establishment candidate. Even though they were in opposition, he was a favorite of every executive in the party. They didn't stay in their house and be writing in anonymous or pseudo names on Facebook to say they support him. They campaigned for him openly. Chamas, Adinkrah, not Dr. Adofo Edimubi, not Kojobonsu Edimubi, but they chose to stick with President Mahama. President Mahama, when we say, Yana Kojobonsu Aman Uncle China and Koya ambassador. You know how it looks like to live in China as an ambassador. Come on, man. The future is bright. I still maintain there's no problem in NPP. Problem no be any problem back up as Ukraine Husa.
Kovitonto a political aide to the former Vice President Dr. Bawumia. Kovi, good morning.
Good morning, Vivia Bakodia.
Nyamia dum Kofi Ube Kumasi and Nancy on time Kumasi. Ube Kumasi and Obe Shuniam.
Sure.
Ube Kumasi.
Last weekend,
any Shuniam.
Chairman for an event.
Oh, yes. There's no opposition to Ujuma Dini said, and no, sir. Kofi.
How about the so I think they bring rest the kakra. They say the way the seeds are here connection said they are what and she is still the same busy now.
Kofi, any commonica, MMDC is Omubeshia, Dr. Bawumia, Madada Omo, and as much in Chimomosamo, my open endorsement, Mamana.
I mean, I'm a data venture on a pure telephone. Now, no, for Kwame Adinkrah, they are not watching.
Obeti. He's watching us live on Facebook in Obeti.
Oh, okay. So, yeah, yes, say. No, I think say, yeah, water also, and I'm here offer a compare this year, MMD. We can be and a year near penny Brian, so this year MMD and then Yura Mahmoud Bawumia so share MMD. Na omuni share omono omuni omuti komo obia de na no disem to ja ani di ntia ofi se osefata se omutai ne chi no be kendi Yura Mahmoud Bawumia to ne bo ehye na man bonus free emra obeka ikuo no ho se flag bearer running mate, sorry, that's the term I'm looking for. Any Edrimasua Wayama party, no, a different Samrena bedru baby a yetri. Ovie or the minister I didn't know kakra to ja a church and yama bebre. Many ubia na would you make the nasia of a cousin you better say, oh, yeah, objective, just say. Unyina fa baby a ne mo hwa asem no crojin se ne ase ehwe no obi hu se enkomo a papa no ne danifo ni di na na paso na ba wo na ye arechichi sem ema party for danifo ne se ampa party no wani da so na me de mi ti se sa arechichi sem ni enda so asem a oni omokan no eno ne share omo increment se there be Yura Mahmoud Bawumia. Finipa by roughly about 240 or 250. Don't quote me on that number. But overall, MMDC, former MMDC is no more. No more. You about 308 or so. They moved 220, and the two men moved to say. Omo pese omo tai Yura Mahmoud Bawumia. Na mra omo kasa ansem no. Ne fapem a omo di gina asem no so no na tifi asem nyina na se. Omo so nsu omo so ansa. Omo tie Yura compare kon omo tie Yura Brian. Omo nyina nimje omo se fasade. Nanso so omo hwe sa nipa miensan a so far omo akohye omo no dia. Obu free say Yura Mahmoud Bawumia ojina brother. Na estefata say yebebo na chido. Na ade ba ko Yura Mahmoud Bawumia kan ya eto masum pa ebra o kasa no. Sambre na no kasa nkomo no. O share the reaction ene momome a omudi je asem no. O ma bibia ye friend political consistency. O ma abakosem futi Yura edukwan Edibes era Kufada so on my backwards 50 NDC for side. Say there is value in political consistency. Say Anya she Ghana Yamanyo Semu Abakosemo